The bench-supported cable kickback is an isolation exercise that primarily targets the upper glutes while minimizing assistance from the quadriceps. The movement pattern hits the upper glute fibers by combining hip extension when kicking up and hip abduction while diagonally kicking out to the side. In this variation, I'm using an incline bench for added stability, which provides more support compared to the standard standing cable kickback where you hold onto the cable posts. Here's how to do it correctly. Position an incline bench to the side of the cable machine pulley. Attach an ankle strap to a low cable pulley and secure it around your ankle. Place the non-working knee on the bench, then brace your upper body against the back pad for extra stability. Hinge forward at the hips, keeping your back flat and core engaged. Start with your working leg slightly bent and foot close to the floor. Extend your leg back and diagonally out to the side while squeezing your glutes. Slowly return to the starting position with control. Complete all the reps on one side, then switch legs and repeat. Don't stop learning now. Click this video to master the next move with perfect form while avoiding the most common mistakes.